Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the 14th lesson of our subject science, and the 14th lesson is about the water. How the water should be conserved, what is the benefits of water, why water is needed, everything is just sum up in this lesson. So let's read and understand the first point of lesson number 14. Suppose for some reasons your family gets only one bucket of water every day for a week. Imagine what would happen. Would you be able to cook, clean utensils, wash clothes or bath? See, the situation of scarcity of water is being told you to think about. તમને એવું કહેવામાં આવે છે કે તમે એવી પરિસ્થિતિનો વિચાર કરો. Suppose that a day, one day, you are given just only one bucket. તમને એક જ bucket મળે. You get one bucket only. What do? તો તમે શું કરો? Whether you use it for cooking, for cleaning utensil, or for clothes, washing clothes, or for bathing, કેના માટે તમે એનો યુઝ કરો? What are the other activities you would not be able to do? એક જ બાલ્ટી વોટરમાં આપણે કઈ વસ્તુ કરી શકીએ ને કઈ ના કરી શકીએ? ઓલમોસ્ટ આઈ થિંક તો વી કેન નોટ ડુ એનીથિંગ. What would happen if you do not have easy access to water for a long period of time? And what about that for a long period of time you didn't get water? Apart from drinking, there are so many activities for which we use water. Do you have any idea about the quantity of water we use in a single day? આપણે એક દિવસમાં કેટલી ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં વોટરનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ તમને આઈડિયા છે? Because drinking, if we ask that what is the best use of water, you will definitely tell us that we use water for drinking. Most important use of water is for drinking. But beside drinking water, there are so many other uses in which we need to use water, for cleaning, for bathing, for brushing, and for many more activities. So to understand the importance of water betterly and how do we use water for a day, let us perform an activity. List all the activity for which you use water in a day. Some activities are listed in table 14.1. Make a similar table in your notebook throughout the day. Measure the amount of water used for each activity by you and other family members. You may have used a mug, a glass, a bucket or any other container to measure the amount of water used. You need to perform an activity. In this activity you need to do one thing. You need to make a list that for the whole day for what reason we are using water, and after that, as per your family person requirement, you need to just measure the water that is needed, the quantity that is needed throughout the day. You can use the measurement of the water by using a mug, glass, bucket, etc. So here the 14.1 is given. This is a similar in your book. If you cannot see from the board clearly, you don't need to be worried, because this is only the data that is also available into your book. તમારી બુકમાં બી આ ડેટા અવેલેબલ છે. Here, activity for drinking 12 liter. I just calculated for four person in a family. I just have calculated this for the small family. 4 person 3 liter પાણી 12 liter. Then for brushing 4 person 2 liter 8. Bathing 25 liter 4 person 100. Then washing utensils 45 liters. Washing clothes 120 liter. Toilet 80. Cleaning floor 60. Any other activity almost 50. Beside this, if we are forgetting something, then we are also adding additional 50 liters of water for other activities. So total consumption for the small family, the family who is having a 4 people, small family means a 4 people family, is consuming a water of 475 liter per day. So you know what, a bucket of water is just can sum up only for the brushing and bathing. For other activities you need much more water. Let's read ahead and understand the importance of water more. You now have a rough idea as to how much water your family uses in a day. Using this information, calculate the amount of water needed by your family in a year. Now divide this amount by the number of a family of your family. See, after calculating this much of water necessity, you can now calculate. See, this is very easy way. See, you have a tank on the upper part of your house, that is called terrace. On terrace you have a tank. You just measure that how much of water can be, what is the volume of water in that tank. Suppose that it is 300 liter or a 400 liter or a 500 liter of water. Then you need to calculate that for how much time you need to fill this in a one day. So this way you can calculate that how much water is needed in your family for one full day. And then you need to calculate it for the, you need to multiply it for 365 days. And this way, after converting into the 365 days, you can divide it by the person that are available in your family. So you can use that, so you can, this way you can calculate the data that how much amount of water is consumed by per person per year. This will give an idea of amount of water needed by one member of your family in a year. Find the number of people that live in your village or a town. This and then you can also calculate after getting the idea of per person per year. Then after you can also calculate the how much is the necessity of water for whole town and whole village. You may now get the idea of amount of water needed by your village and a town in a year. You have listed a number of activity or which you use water. Do you think our water requirement is limited to the activity like this? You use wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables and many other food items. See, requirement of water, concept of requirement of water is not limited up to our house only. ઘર સિવાય બી પાણીની ઘણી બધી જગ્યાએ યુઝ થતી જ હોય છે ફોર ધ પ્રોડક્શન. સી આપણે તમે જે સવારે ઉઠીને જે નાસ્તો કરો છો, બપોરના લંચ, ડિનર એક્સેટ્રા વોટ એવર વી આર ઇટિંગ, it is prepared at the farm. It is cultivated, so not prepared but it is cultivated at the farm, and to cultivate that crop we need much amount of water. We know that some of the fibers that we use for making fabric come from plant. Is water not needed to grow this? Can you think some more uses of water? તમે જે કપડાં પહેરો છો એ કોટન છે એ ક્યાંથી આવે છે? તો કે પ્લાન્ટમાંથી. શું તમને નથી લાગતું કે પ્લાન્ટને બી વોટરની જરૂરિયાત હશે? ઓફકોર્સ. Water is in industries for production, producing almost all the things that we use. So we need a water not only for our daily activity but also for the producing many things. એટલે પાણીની જરૂરિયાત એક આપણી ખાલી આપણી ડેલી જરૂરિયાત માટે નહીં, but other than that we need at a farm, we need during the production in the industry. So at many places beside the house, other places also require the much amount of water. So here the 14.1 is over.